she does.
What is your name, please? And my name is Peter Reed. My daughter Mary was killed on April 16, 2007. Lori Hawes' daughter Emily was wounded. Randa's sister Raymond was killed. I live in the 11th District. Your candidate wants to be my congressman, and he's never approached me, never attempted to contact me. I've never heard from anyone in your campaign until he decided to say what he said. So I'm looking to talk to the congressman.
She just doesn't want to be on the camera. She just works for
I'm sorry.
For him. She just asked if we're trying to
I'm
work
not,
something
I'm
out.
not trying to get anybody
Absolutely.
in trouble.
No, we know this is a sensitive issue.
I'm looking to talk
she's
to
just
the
trying to, absolutely, and I think they're trying to work
I'm sorry,
that
the man
out.
that wants to be my congressman.
Absolutely, absolutely, and I think they're trying very hard to work something out. Obviously, deserve a lot of respect, and we respect you all very much. I know that Keith does as well, but they're trying to work out some time, and I just don't think anybody wants to be on the camera.
No, and Keith, I can't imagine.
We'll let Keith defend, certainly talk to you on. He owes you that to speak to you, and I know they're trying to work that out. But just out of respect, I could just ask if you wouldn't. The campaign staff's the campaign staff. They're not the candidate, and I'm not either. And I'm just a volunteer. So.
And so she was suggesting that maybe after this.
Yes, the situation is that the governor's late, and they're trying to. Obviously, these people are here, and so they were hoping to see if there would be a private time where they could speak with you all afterwards. If Keith could speak to you afterwards, if that would work.
Well, if the governor's late, I guess we could talk to him now while we're waiting.
Well, he's not here yet either. He's not here. No, and I think they're all together, so that's part of the problem. Because the governor's kind of late.
I want to wait and see what happens.
Okay, fair enough. I'm really good friends with Luann McNabb.
Oh, okay.
So,
I was just talking to her.